Okay, so the problem. A certain radioactive material is known to decay at a rate proportional to the amount present. If initially 500 milligrams of the material is present and after 3 years, 20% of the original mass has decayed, determine the amount of remaining after 25 years. Okay, so decay, ang problem na to is about exponential decay. So ang differential equation para dito is dS over dt is equal to Ks. Then pag sinolve natin to, yung general solution is S is equal to C times E raised to KT. Then since na ito ay exponential decay, mapapansin natin na yung K is mag-negative yan. Mamaya. Okay. So sabi dito sa problem, initially 500 milligrams are present. So at time t equals 0, initial time S is 500. Okay, substitute natin dito. Magiging 500 is equal to C times E raised to K times 0. Then since 1 lang ito, ma-cancel, magiging C is equal to 500. Then ano sabi? And after 3 years, 20% of the original mass has decayed. So at T is equal to 3, ilan na raw nangyari yung mass? 20% of the original mass has decayed. So kung 20% daw yung natanggal, ilan yung natira? 100% minus 20% is 80% na lang. So 80% or 0.8 ng initial 500, which is 400. Okay. So substitute natin dito, magiging 400 equals 500 times E raised to K times time na 3. Then divide both sides by 500, magiging 0.8. Ito na yun yung 0.8 is equal to E raised to 3K. Then ln natin both sides. 0.8 is equal to ln E raised to 3K. Then magiging ln 0.8 is equal to 3K. Then divide natin both sides by 3, magiging K is approximately, kuha tayo calculator, negative 0.07438. Okay. Yan, tinatanong, determine the amount remaining after 25 years. So, sabi dito, T is equal to 25. Hinahanap dito yung S. Okay. So, magiging S is equal to C 500 times E raised to, ang K is negative 0.07438 times T na 25. Then calculator natin, ang kalalabasan is S is approximately 77.9 milligrams. So this is the correct answer.